Welcome to the Economy Banner Stand installation tutorial. Here is everything you will need to install a banner in your banner stand. The base, the top bar, a banner trimmed to size, and additional tape. First, you will start by removing the end caps from your top bar. And then unclamping it. Insert your banner into the top bar. Make sure that it's positioned in the top bar fully. Now, clamp down on your top bar, securing the banner into place. Start from the center and work your way out. This ensures that the graphic is applied smoothly and that the top bar does not warp or bend. Now, place the end caps back onto the top bar. Re-roll your banner so that the back is facing out. Now it's time to attach the banner to the base. Remove the paper backing found attached to the adhesive on the leader. Next, line up your banner to the adhesive on the leader and adhere the graphic. Smooth out the graphic and apply additional tape to both the banner and the leader. Flip the banner stand back over and apply additional tape to both the back of the leader and the back of the banner. Flip the banner stand back over once again. Pull the leader completely from the base, reinforcing it against the banner stand with your hands. Pull the locking pin found on the right side of the banner stand, and reposition your hands to gently guide the banner back into the banner stand. You are able to store your locking pin in the locking pin holder found on the bottom of the base.